How to put someone in the recovery position. If a person is unconscious but is breathing and has no other life-threatening conditions, they should be placed in the recovery position. First, remove any obstacles, like their glasses. Then, with the person lying on their back, kneel on the floor at their side. Place the arm nearest to you at a right angle to their body with their hand upwards towards their head. Tuck the other hand under the side of their head so that the back of their hand is touching their cheek. Bend the knee furthest from you to a right angle. Now carefully roll the person onto their side by pulling on the bent knee. The top arm should be supporting the head and the bottom arm will stop you rolling them too far. Open their airway by gently tilting their head back and lifting their chin and check that nothing is blocking their airway. Finally, stay with the person and monitor their condition until help arrives.